Hello everyone, my name is Natesh Puttalingappa. In this teaching and learning series, we are discussing the solutions for Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Selection Test 2020, that is Class 6 JNVST 2020. Today, let us continue our discussion of solutions for Section 1 Mental Ability Test Part 6. Come on, let's begin. In part 6 of a mental ability test, there are 4 questions from question number 21 to question number 24. There are some directions governing these questions. Let us read and solve these questions one by one. Directions. In question numbers 21 to 24, one part of a geometrical figure, triangle, square, or circle is on the left side as question figure and the other one is among the 4 answer figures A, B, C and D on the right side. Find the figure on the right side that completes the geometrical figure and darken the circle in the OMR answer sheet against the number corresponding to the question. So in this part, one part of a geometrical figure like triangle, square or circle will be given as the question figure. Other part of the question figure which makes it complete will be one among the answer figures A, B, C and D. We need to find the correct answer figure which would fit into the question figure to make it a complete geometrical figure. Now looking at question number 21, here we have part of a triangle. The other part of the triangle is missing here, which is not drawn. We need to find which of these answer figures exactly fit into the question figure to make it a complete triangle. For that, what we can do is we can draw and complete this figure and then compare the required part of the question figure with the answer figures to find which is the correct answer. So now we have drawn these sides of the triangle to make it complete. So the required answer should be exactly same as the part we have drawn. So now what I do is I compare this required part of the question figure with each of these answer figures to find the correct answer for this question. So comparing the required part of the question figure with answer figure A, so we find curvilinear side of this part of the triangle is not same as we are expecting. So look at this curvilinear side, curved side of this part of the triangle and look at the answer figure A. So these two are the pattern of these lines at this side are not same. So answer figure A cannot fit into the question figure to make it a complete triangle. So moving on to answer figure B. Here also the curvilinear side of the answer figure doesn't matches with the required part of the question figure. They are not same. So now comparing it with answer figure C. Here too required part of the question figure does not matches with the answer figure C. So answer figure C cannot be the right answer for this question. Now moving on to answer figure D. Answer figure D exactly matches with the required part of the question figure. So D is the correct answer for question number 21, which fits into the question figure to make it a complete triangle. Now let us mark answer option D as the correct answer for question number 21 on the OMR answer sheet and move to the next question. Question number 22. Here we are given a part of a circle with some diameters drawn and the outer edge of this figure and the circumference of this circle is shaded with black. So this figure can be completed by drawing the other part. So now we have a complete circle with the diameters drawn. To find which of the answer figure fits into the question figure to make it complete, let us compare the required part of the question figure with the answer figures one by one. Looking at answer figure A, here we have only two parts. Actually, three such parts are needed to complete this question figure. Since we have only two parts here, this cannot fit into the question figure to make it complete. Now moving on to answer figure B. Answer figure B is exactly the same as the required part of the question figure. So this must be the correct answer. Before marking it on the OMR answer sheet, let's once have a look over answer figures C and D. Though the answer figure C looks same as the required part of the question figure, here outer circumference or outer edge of the figure is not darkened or shaded with black as required. So this cannot be the right answer. And moving on to answer figure D. Here the parts made are not same as the expected part of the question figure, and also the circumference is not shaded with black, so answer figure D cannot be the right answer. So as we found rightly, the answer figure B is the correct answer for this question, which would fit into the question figure to make it a complete circle. So we mark answer option B as the correct answer for question number 22 on the OMR answer sheet. Moving on to question number 23. Here we have a part of a square with the two spikes or two zigzag marks on the diagonal. So this square can be completed by drawing the other two sides. So the required part of the question figure now will be found in answer option B. The other answer figures A, C and D does not match with the required part of the question figure. So we mark answer option B as the correct answer for question number 23 on the OMR answer sheet and move to the next question. Here in question number 24 also we have a part of a square, and this can be completed by drawing the other side. So the now required part of the question figure will look like a triangle. Comparing this part with the answer figures, we found in answer option C it is same as the required part of the question figure. Though the answer figures A and B are triangles, the orientations of the triangles given here are not same as the required part of the question figure, and they cannot fit into the question figure to make it a complete square. And the shape of the answer figure D is not suitable to fit into the question figure to make it complete. Since answer figure C fits into the question figure to make it complete, we mark answer option C as the correct answer for question number 24 on the OMR answer sheet.
So I hope you understood the solutions of all the questions discussed in today's video. I will come with the solutions of some more questions in my next video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel to get notifications of my new videos as I upload. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.